In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved photos on Pinterest. If you've ever saved something great and then couldn't remember where it went, this walkthrough will get you back to your favorites in just a few clicks. We'll open Pinterest, head to your boards, and then view all your pins in one place. I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so everything feels familiar, whether you're on a computer or the mobile app. Start by opening Pinterest in your web browser or launching the Pinterest app. Sign in if you're not already and make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one. You'll land on the home feed, which shows recommended content. That's not your saved photos yet, so we'll move to your personal space next. From the home feed, go to your boards by opening your profile. On desktop, click your profile picture in the top right corner. On mobile, tap the profile icon on the bottom bar. You'll arrive at your saved area, which typically shows boards first. Think of boards as folders you've created to organize what you save. Travel ideas in one place, recipes in another, and so on. If you're looking for photos from a specific theme you remember, opening the relevant board and scrolling might be the fastest way to spot them, since everything inside that board relates to the same topic. Secret boards also appear here for you and are browsable when you're signed in, so nothing is missing if you keep collections private. If you want to see every saved photo in a single stream, switch to the Pins view. Look for the Pins tab at the top of your profile on mobile or under your profile name on desktop. Click or tap Pins, and Pinterest will show all of your saved pins in one place, usually with the most recently saved at the top. This is perfect when you don't remember which board you used or if you save something without filing it into a board. You can scroll to browse, and when a pin catches your eye, open it to view the full image, the source, and the board it lives in. From there, you can quickly jump to that board if you want to see related saves. A couple of quick tips to speed things up. Use the search bar on your profile to filter your own saved pins by keywords, and keep an eye on the thumbnail text. Often, the title or description will jog your memory. And remember, saved pins link back to their original sources, so always respect the creator's rights when downloading or sharing. That's it. Open Pinterest, go to your boards, then view your pins to see everything you've saved. Happy browsing.